Tecnu Original removes poison oak and ivy oils from your skin. For the best result, we recommend applying it within the first 2 hours of exposure. Here's how to apply it before the rash has started. Step 1. Apply Tecnu Original to the dry, exposed area of your skin. Step 2. Rub vigorously for 2 minutes to remove poison oils and other contaminants. Step 3. Rinse your skin clean with cool water or wipe it off with a cloth. That's it! If you were heavily exposed or are hypersensitive, you can repeat these steps or apply to your entire body as needed. Otherwise, you're ready to enjoy the rest of your day itch and scratch free.